where the sea, fire, and sacred spirit converge. An island where the rhythm of every heartbeat blends the depth of faith, the energy of culture, and the irresistible beauty of nature. This is not just a destination, it's an emotion, the jewel in Indonesia's crown. Welcome to Bali. Bali's beauty lies in its diversity. To the north, you'll find the majestic presence of volcanoes, while to the south, the endless blue waters of the Pacific Ocean. In between, an expanse of green, tiered rice terraces that resemble a living work of art, crafted by nature. And if you're seeking adventure, the limestone cliffs and turquoise waters of Nusa Penida will bring you close to heaven. But the soul of Bali lies in its spirituality. In predominantly Muslim Indonesia, Bali is a unique exception, where over 85% of the people practice Hinduism. Yet, it's not just about numbers, it's a way of life. Notice the small offerings of flowers, called kanang sari, placed in front of every home, at street corners, even on car dashboards. This is the expression of the Hita Karana philosophy, the harmonious balance between God, people, and nature. This faith flows through every atom of art, music, and dance. Whether it's the intense energy of the Kecak dance against the cliffs of Uluwatu or the graceful movements of the Legong dance, these are prayers dedicated to the divine. Here, religion and art are inseparable. This spirituality transforms into tangible culture. In the alleys of Ubud, you'll find world-class wood carvings. At the Sukawati market, handmade batik and colorful sarongs will enchant you. And when it comes to flavor, a trip to Bali is incomplete without tasting babi guling, spit-roasted pig, or nasi ayam petutu, chicken steamed in banana leaves. This is a place where ancient traditions and a modern bohemian lifestyle achieve perfect balance. So what could your perfect day in Bali look like? Wake before dawn to catch the sunrise from the peak of Mount Batur. Then head to the southern beaches to challenge the waves on a surfboard. For lunch, retreat to a jungle cafe in Ubud for local coffee. In the afternoon, surrender to a traditional spa treatment. And as the day ends, savor fresh seafood at a Jimbaran Bay restaurant while the sky ignites with color. Bali isn't just a place to see, it's a place to feel. What is Bali, truly? It's in the green rice fields where a farmer's gentle smile awaits. It's in the sacred chimes of temple bells carrying prayers across 1,000 years. It's in the foamy ocean waves that wash away every worry. It is the island of balance, where outer beauty and inner peace become one. Let your journey only begin.